What is up, everybody? So I told you I wanted to start modding this truck immediately, and I've had these tires in my garage and it's just been killing me to stare at them. So today we are upgrading the tires on this truck. As you can tell, the front has been leveled. I believe it's 2 inches. It sits almost perfectly level, if not just raked a little bit, but it has a lot of space left to fill up in those fender wells. So factory tires, 275 5520s. The guy put KO2s on them. I'm not a fan of KO2s anymore after installing them on my 4Runner. They were really loud, super hard to balance, and just, I'm kind of over the quality issues of those tires. So, nevertheless, alright, got some Nitto Ridge Grapplers. So this is Nitto's new version of the Terra Grapplers, which if you guys remember my Silverado, I upgraded those on my Silverado to Terra Grapplers. They ran really well, they were super quiet, and they looked mean as heck. So these are the Ridge Grapplers. As you can tell, the sidewall is way bigger. These are 285 65 20s, and I think that they're gonna look really nice. So tread pattern's really nice. You also get, and I can explain this later, is very similar to my Terra Grapplers. You can have this sidewall pattern, or you can have this sidewall pattern. It's totally different, which is pretty cool that Nitto does that. You can change it to whatever side that you want. We're gonna be going with this one, and more so than anything, let's see exactly what the before, and just like that, it totally transformed the look of the truck. I just think this looks awesome. So let's do a quick walk around and see just how big these tires really are. Absolutely transformed. I just think these turned out insanely nice. Now you can see just how much area we had to fill in those fender wells, and this fills it up really nicely. And for the front, that filled in really nicely as well too. So just gives it a way meaner stance than those little low profile tires. And then with some of the other goodies that we have going on, I think it's really going to complete the look of the truck. So far I've only put a couple miles on them. The road noise is definitely a lot less than the KO2s. I attribute a lot of that to the sidewall thickness. And then we'll see just how good they run. And then stay tuned in the comments. Or in the description below. In about a week or two, I'll update it and see how my gas mileage is. I have it pretty honed in with where I was. And we'll see if this affects it. But really, overall, this just looks absolutely amazing. You just can't beat that. The tread pattern's really nice and aggressive looking, especially compared to the KO2s. I think it's a really clean looking tread pattern. It just looks awesome. Now I will say, the upper control arm clears just barely. There's probably about 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch. But then this skid plate does not clear. So right there you will have to trim off about 1 inch to get it to clear. So we'll just take a grinder and do that. That won't be too bad. And then I did, right in the front, there used to be a little piece of plastic that hung down, that rubbed, and now it's free and clear. So really not too bad. Let me know what you guys think. In my opinion, this completely transformed the look of the truck. So if you're considering it, I would say do it, and at a minimum, get this size or one size down, but do not do the 255s. And that is a wrap. Thank you guys for watching. There's a lot more to come on this truck, so stay tuned. Let me know what you guys want to see. Peace out.